Hello, so my name is Lindsay and I'm an online English teacher, English as a second language. And today we're going to focus on these two words because I've noticed a lot of foreign speakers get these confused. So say and tell. Okay, so a common mistake that learners make is they can't seem to distinguish between the two of them. And they will often say things like, he say me, yeah, or I say them. And this is wrong because when we say, we don't have two people involved. Okay, so this is a trick for you to remember. So let's start with the word say, said. Okay, so she said she was a doctor. Okay, so what we have here is she said she. So we're just talking about that one person. He said he likes pasta. Okay, so he said he. They said they can't speak English. Okay, so as you can see, as you can identify here, we've just got that one person involved. Okay. Oh, if you ask a question, what did you say? What did she say? What did she say? So, okay, that's just one person. Now, when we have the word tell, okay, so this is when we use more than one person. I told my mum, okay, I told him I didn't like it. She told me she would be late. So look, she told me. She is one person and me is a second person. So if your boss says to you, tell them, you don't go say them. Tell them that you can't go to the meeting. Tell them that you will be late. Okay, so I hope this has helped you. I hope this video has helped you. So always remember, if it's more than one person, we use the word tell. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay.